Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Ons. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to install the one app from Google Play Store, and this is that message: your administrator has not given you access to this item, and also it doesn't show any install option. So how to get rid of this error message? So first of all, open your settings menu and go to app section. So here you can clear the following app data, and the first one is Google Play Store. And also clear that Google Play Services app data. So next you can open your settings menu. So here you can search Google Play System and then check it if your Google Play system is updated or not. So if it is shows any new update, just click to download it. So once the downloading process is completed, and don't forget to restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, and one more time, you can try to install that previously problem occurred mobile app. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Tech Accounts, and thanks for watching.